Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel RS Computer Solutions. In this video, I'll show you how to fix their File Explorer not responding issue in Windows 11. Step 1. Restart File Explorer. First, let's try restarting File Explorer itself. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Scroll down to Windows Explorer, right-click it, and choose Restart. This refreshes the user interface and usually fixes minor glitches. Step 2. Clear File Explorer History. Next, clear File Explorer History. Search for File Explorer options and start. Under the General tab, click Clear next to Privacy. Hit Apply and OK. This removes corrupt history data that might be causing crashes. Step 3. Change the default view to this PC. Sometimes quick access causes File Explorer to freeze. In File Explorer options, set Open File Explorer to this PC. Click Apply and OK. This makes Explorer open a stable view at launch. Step 4. Run SFC and DISM commands. Next, let's repair system files. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run the commands. This checks and repairs corrupted system components that affect File Explorer. Step 5. Install Windows Updates. Make sure Windows is up to date. Go to Settings of Windows Update, check for updates. Bug fixes from Microsoft often resolve UI crashes. Step 6. Perform a clean boot. To rule out third-party apps, type msconfig. Go to Services, check Hide Microsoft Services, then disable all. In the Startup tab, disable startup items. Restart your PC. This starts Windows with minimal apps running. Step 7. Scan for malware. Malware can freeze core apps. Run a full scan using Windows Security, Virus and Threat Protection. Or use a trusted third-party antivirus tool. And that's it. Let me know in the comments which method worked for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Windows 11 tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.